What is going on, YouTube? And today, I guess this is gonna be me reporting some the brightness. I guess this is gonna be me kind of giving you guys some maybe somewhat upsetting news about the Z, but as all things are good, and I'm still, you know, making vids, that means we have some other plans as well. So a couple days ago, some guy had tires inside of his trunk, and they flew out and they landed in the middle of the road, and I ended up hitting them. So it kind of put a couple of things out of place for the Z. So as you can see right now, I'm running the no bumper gang for very obvious reasons. Well, you can't really see them, but the damages, as noted, my fender, which was bonded when I first got the car, has cracked here. I lost the little, I guess you would call it the front mud flap, I don't know what to say, and also left some type of tire damage right across that line. I can't really see much here, so it's not that bad. But you're probably wondering why I took off the bumper. Maybe, Justin, is it broken? What happened to it? What's going on? Why is it off? Did it go into the car and destroy something? And the answer to that is no. So the bumper is still perfectly fine, but everything that held the bumper legit like broke and cracked. So my radiator support, the mounting points for it cracked off. I'm gonna show you guys right now over here. See if I can get a good picture of it. You can see here that's done for. There's some other side that's done for, so it's not really holding it up against. And then also the mounting point on the fender, if I can get it, is like, you can see where it's just, you know, it just came off. It just said, yeet, I can't stay here no more, I'm moving out. So those are a couple of things that we need to fix for the Z. It's kind of a bummer, but you know, and the bumper is still fine, but it did like lose some paint obviously in some certain areas, so it's still some work that has to be done to it. But for today's video, we're going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a really long time because I've always hated it, and that will be removing the spoiler off my Z. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. We will also be putting Bondo in the holes that it already has now to fix it up, and then we'll be probably painting that sometime soon. And we'll also be Bondoing up, where's this area, this little missing portion that's on this fender right here, this little ugly spot, and anything we can find necessarily that can be bondoed, and we're gonna just, you know, go from there, and hopefully everything's all right. But yeah, that's how today's gonna be. We're gonna meet up Asa because he's the body shop specialist. As you can see, his Z is always mint and fitment and all, so we're gonna go ahead and do that first. Won't be touching the bumper anytime soon, but the radiator core support should be here sometime tomorrow. I don't know when the next time you guys are gonna even see this video, or the video after that, or the video before that, which is still in the works. But yeah, let's go ahead and get today started, and we're just gonna go ahead and be at Ace's place. Unfortunately, kiddos, I completely forgot to bring the mount for the GoPro, and I feel like it's on. I don't care though. I'm so over it right now. Well, first things first, gotta take off this trimming plastic stuff around here, and then we can get to business. Alright, let's go ahead and start trying to take these things down. I'm pretty sure I can't do this by hand. Let me see if I can find a trim tool or something. Now, this is gonna be really hard to do, but let's see. With one hand, trying to pry one hand. Oh, there we go. That's another piece. Alright, a couple pries later, this is what you're gonna end up seeing. Alright, out with the old and in with nothing else because we're not getting another one. This can come off now. Nick, lift your side up so it don't scratch the paint. About to take it off. Yeah.
He said like it won't, so it won't scratch the paint, like we're not gonna be sanding on this trunk.
Another small one. I don't know why they did that. Here goes another one here. Here goes this bad boy right here. It's a good one. It's a good meme. Yeah. Then we've got one here. We got one there. There's just a lot of ugly holes. Now with all that stuff off, we're gonna go ahead and probably wipe this down. I just want to from afar without the spoiler. I feel like it's gonna look so much better. It looks actually very baby-like. Looks childish without it. Looks short, but I feel like it's a better look. Start finishing this thing up so we can patch up these holes and have a hatch without a spoiler. All right, so for this, I'll put my finger in. Wow. But for these small little holes that are all around the trunk and stuff, well, this one's fine. The ones that are sticking out, I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm gonna try to get you guys as close as possible to it. But they bulge out and stuff. So we need to have that Dremeled, and we don't have any electrical power outlets out here, so we're gonna have to do those later. But I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding down these other holes with what I believe is 220 and try to get some spots to bare metal so we can bondo down and then eventually paint. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, you recording? All right, guys. Pretty much getting the areas nice and rounded, as you can see, so we can put bondo on it and it'll have a nice application layer. What our plan is that we were gonna start probably from like right here and mask off and then paint the entire hatch itself. Oh, I dropped it. But anyways, paint the entire hatch itself and then like blend it in with that side with like after we do the clear coat and stuff, and try to get it to match as much as possible. We're gonna go to a custom paint store and buy their paint so they can get like as close as possible to the right color match and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. All this stuff got to go. All right, guys, this is the product of sanding. We finished sanding what we could. We still have to sand this spot here, as well as this one and this one over here. This and this. I hope this tape holds up and doesn't let water get in for now. It's kind of getting a little sprinkly outside, but sorry guys about my camera, but yeah, I'm really sorry. I don't know why it always does that and autofocus. You know what? Boys. All right, guys, we are back. It's the next day. Got off work. I have the trunk open here. Asa has his Dremel tool. I'm gonna go get the extension, but I do have. You don't need anything out of here? I don't think so. Yeah, told you. New ones, man. I told you. It's kind of hard, but we're about to start dremeling down this piece that I told you guys earlier about how it's sticking up. You see I can't push my hand forward past it. It won't allow me, but if I go here I can just slide my hand through because it's like kind of level and even, so we can fill that up as well as the other ones over here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna bring out the GoPro and that's how you guys are gonna watch the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Right now Asa is dremeling down the spots that are high up and not surface with the rest of the body, and I'm trying to get this to work.
Like where it's coming up. Oh yeah. Just gotta kinda.
Did it go down?
A little bit.
What's that? My cereal.
Kind of like that, make it a little bit bigger around all these. And then the biggest thing is like around where the actual hole is. That's where you want to get like a good bit off of there. So you want to kind of try and get it here.
So like around the hole?
I'll use the Dremel. I'll get around the holes on these, but just on these, just kind of.
Oh, you already did this one. You did this one? Alright. Just clean up the surface a little bit. Just finished sanding it with 220 grit. So you guys are going to want to use 220 grit to sand down to metal. I believe it's metal.
So go ahead and around this whole edge.
Yeah, I gotta get this.
Probably have to do that. I mean, we won't have to use a whole lot of Bondo. But you do need to go ahead and do that. I'll do half of it.
All right. 320 all the way across all the lines right here and the little divots right here. Asa. Like here, yeah. Here.
And go like outside just a little bit on each one too.
All right. You guys get the picture. I'm doing all the holes first, then I'm gonna go around those lines that left rivet to my paint from that spoiler. And this right here is like a really large dip.
Yeah, I got. Go ahead and sand them like kind of out here too.
Alright. You guys heard Asa. Alright, sanding everything down. Asa is about to start the Bondo process. That stuff looks like straight up doo-doo, but
this is the fiberglass kind.
Oh, the fiberglass kind. So what's the difference?
This is stronger.
Oh. I really want some cereal. My cereal's on the floor. I gotta stop acting like I don't eat on camera, because I really don't. Yeah. So make sure you guys get around the holes really good. The Bondo and the activator is on there. You want to make sure you have a very clean surface, otherwise it will not stick correctly. So Ace is about to apply it, because I don't know how to apply Bondo at all. Oh.
Which it might take a few.
That's fine. Yeah, just wait for it and then let it dry up a little bit and continue. That's fine. Nice, I forgot. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Alright, so this Bondo should probably take about 5 minutes to dry. Then we're gonna reapply again. As you can see, we still have the sinks and stuff, but we have to let it at least dry first so it doesn't sink in when we put another applicant, because it's going to be pretty heavy, and it's, I guess you can call it solid/liquid form. It's just sinking through, but after it hardens, we'll put another one and another one maybe again, I don't know, and then we'll start sanding that down. So yeah, 5 minutes later you guys will see what it looks like. To take time off, oh, a scooter, that will be fun. To take time off, we're gonna just skateboard and wait for it. Yeah, it's been a while. So skateboarding, and I skateboard with my front up, so don't laugh at me. What, sanding so much?
Now you understand.
All right, guys. All right, kiddos. Sanding. Okay. Sanding is a process that you must understand. Oh, still feels a piece, but. All right, guys, that's gonna be enough for today on, I guess. That's gonna be enough for today on that is going to be enough for today on the Bondo session. I'm gonna show you guys what we pretty much did on this camera now, you know, not the GoPro and stuff. But yeah, as you can see, these things look really flat now. Let me turn this off for you. Trying to get camera set up. But as you can see, guys, it looks really bad because you see the scratches here, but all of this is smooth. These are where the holes once were. We have some little rivets, but we're gonna fill that in with regular body filler instead of fiberglass body filler. We haven't done, for example, this one yet, and along the line down here. But for these are pretty much almost done, and we're gonna continue again, and you guys will see that in the next video. And then I think the video after that, we'll be putting on my radiator core. That's FedEx. That's my package. Alright. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. I have more content. As you see, I am literally bonking up my trunk, and you guys are watching me do it. I hope to see you guys again, and stay blessed, y'all. Peace.
You don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come